Hey there, beautiful people. In today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime routine with a newborn and a toddler. So without any further ado, let's get it. So after dinner time, I like to clean the kitchen, put the dishes away. Then after that, it is bath time. So I like to wash my babies together because it's easier for me to get them clean at the same time. And plus, they seem to enjoy it. So I'll clean my baby first, and then I'll make sure that Maddie's clean because she's self-sufficient. She can wash herself and everything, but I still help out, wash her hair and everything. And I just love it. You know, bath time is fun. I get to have both of them at the same time, and they seem to enjoy getting splashed with water, so. So once bath time is over, I'll take baby Tristan out first because he needs to get warm quicker because he is still a little tiny. So I'll dry him off first, and then Maddie, she usually dries herself off, so that makes life a lot easier. But I'll still help out, you know, wipe her bottom and, you know, comb her hair, detangle it, get it ready for the night, which I have plenty of tutorials about that. I use a detangling brush at night, and this is the wet brush, so you can use it when your hair is wet and it helps detangle it really well. So I use that on her hair. So usually she gets her own pajamas, underwear, and all that, but I just help out with what she cannot do. So once we're done with bath time, I make sure that Maddie brushes her teeth because I want her teeth to be healthy, nice and strong before they, you know, fall out soon. And also, you know, just to make sure she gets rid of any bacteria, germs, gingivitis out of her mouth before the night is over. Thank God for their age difference because she's so self-sufficient, and, you know, she can do a lot of things on her own. But like I said, I just like to assist. After we're done brushing her teeth, it is bedtime, so we like to read a story. She usually picks out the stories, so we usually read Bible stories or a Disney princess story, anything to keep her entertained, or, you know, just to read before going to sleep because I feel like that's very important. And also, I feed Tristan a bottle to keep him nice and fed at night. So giving him a 6-ounce bottle at night helps him to sleep through the night, which he is. Yes. So once he's out, I'll put him in his bassinet, and then usually Maddie's out around the same time, so I will straighten her to get her situated in the bed. She's a wild sleeper, so she sleeps however she wants, but, you know, just try to get her together and, you know, get her comfortable in the bed. So after I am done with the kids, y'all, it is my time to get myself together, to get myself clean, to take care of myself, and do anything that I need to do that I couldn't do with the kids being up. So I like to start by taking out my contacts because it's nice to have those little plastic things off my pupils so that my eyes can relax and get comfortable. And because when I'm tired, they are a pain in my eyes. So I'll take my contacts out, and I'll brush my teeth and get myself ready for the night. Once I'm done with that, I'll go to the kitchen and pump some milk. So like I said, that's my time to myself. So I'll like scroll on Instagram, catch up on videos, or I'll FaceTime my hubby because you guys know he's away for work. So that's my time to like really talk to him. And then once I'm done pumping and getting food ready for him for the next day and night, it is my time to get ratchet. Enjoy myself, you know, take a bath, take a shower, shave, poop, whatever. Just my time to be by myself because it is important to have time to yourself. Moms with 2 kids or more kids, it is, even 1 kid, it's just important to have time to yourself. So yeah, usually after 9, 10, 11, maybe midnight is my time. So once I'm done having my ratchet moment, my time to myself, it's time to pray because I like to say my prayers before going to bed because I gotta give thanks to the Lord in all things. So once I'm done, I go to bed, and usually in nighttime, Tristan, I'll like hear him moving around and, you know, making noises and stuff like that. So sometimes I will get lucky and he's just moving around, like switching positions, because he does sleep on his belly most of the time. So sometimes I'll hear him, but I'll like wake up to check on him. Also, every time I wake up in the middle of the night to check on him, I always check the time just to see how long he slept, see how many hours he's sleeping in the nighttime. So I always check my phone before just to check the time. And like I said, sometimes I'll just check to see if he's up, but most of the time he's just switching positions. So if he's not getting up, your girl's going right back to sleep and going night-night. So I hope you guys enjoy my nighttime routine, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Peace.